arbitrationagreements.org. We are here to explore a path that veers away from the adversarial road of conflict resolution. With the right methods, you can transform disputes into opportunities for growth and understanding. Today, we are diving deep into some top conflict resolution solutions that can help all of us in resolving disputes more amicably and effectively. But before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you time and money while reducing stress. Now, when we find ourselves in the midst of a dispute, it often feels like there's no easy way out. The world seems to be filled with disagreements, with an estimated 350 million disputes arising worldwide each year. That's a startling number, isn't it? But fret not, because there are approaches that help us navigate these choppy waters. Firstly, let's consider mediation. This process brings the disputing parties together with a neutral third party who assists them in finding a mutually agreeable solution. The beautiful thing about mediation is that it fosters dialogue and understanding, creating a platform where we can empathize with the other person's viewpoint. Then, we have negotiation. Here we engage directly with the other party, working collaboratively to find common ground. We know that about 90% of disputes are resolved through direct negotiations. It's empowering to think that we have the tools and the capacity to resolve most of our disputes just by talking to each other, isn't it? And of course, there's arbitration. Sometimes we need a neutral third party to decide the outcome based on the evidence presented. Is often quicker and less formal than going to court, and a valuable option to have in our toolkit. Disputes can require more structured solutions. Collaborative law is a method where both parties retain separate attorneys who help them settle the dispute. It takes away the hostility and promotes a cooperative environment to find the best solutions. So friends, as we wrap up our little chat today, we want to leave you with a feeling of hope and empowerment. By embracing alternative dispute resolution methods like mediation, negotiation, arbitration, and collaborative law, we can approach conflicts as opportunities to build bridges rather than barriers. Do you need more information about conflict resolution solutions? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think of the solutions presented in this video? Which one is your favorite? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.